The Bono East Regional Health Directorate has joined the rest of the global community to commemorate this year's World AIDS Day, which is hinged on a call on world leaders to renew their commitment to end HIV. The day, which falls on December 1 annually, is a day for voices to unite by sharing experiences, remembering those lost and standing together in the fight against HIV. Bono East Regional Director of Health Services, Dr. Fred Adnokubuatin, said even though there is a decline in the number of new infections recorded over the past few years, more needs to be done to further reduce the numbers.
Though there have been decline in the number of new infections from 2020 to 2022, from 2,928 to 2,484, and as we speak, 2020 September 1,715 respectively. There is a need to do more for further reduction whilst dealing with the barriers to access to care.
He was, however, quick to call for a concerted effort towards providing care for all, as well as implementing a zero-tolerance policy to stigma and discrimination across all health institutions.
Health services should be adapted to reach and meet the needs of populations most at risk and affected. And this includes implementing a zero-tolerance policy to stigma and discrimination in all health services, in all facets of our lives.
Sustainability Manager for OLAM Food Ingredients, who are key partners to the occasion, Mohammed Abdul Gafaru, reiterated OLAM's commitment towards ensuring that the farming community in the region stay healthy to help keep them in business.
We need a very healthy family, a very healthy cashew farming community. So if we are not careful, and we have a very widely infested cashew farming community, then we will not get cashew to buy. And so today we are here in partnership with the Regional Health Directorate to mark the day and also to engage farmers and any other person who is involved in the cashew value chain to get aware and also ensure that we are HIV free and we'll be able to produce whatever we are producing.
Regional HIV Programs Coordinator Charles Kwesi Jemfi highlighted some key measures taken by health authorities in the region to keep up the public's interest on the need to check their HIV statuses.
If you remember when COVID struck us over the past 2 or 3 years, the energy for people to really come forward to get tested really came down. But as we come out of the woods, we have decided to engage the general public through the media. That's the first one. And then secondly, we are also looking at engaging other identifiable groups like the Barber Association, like the Dressmakers Association, to make sure that we are reaching the general public and make sure people are also getting tested.
Municipal Chief Executive for Kintampo, Isaac Bafo Amia, on his part, called for a renewed commitment towards supporting the well-being of people living with HIV/AIDS.
On this day, we also renew our commitment to supporting the well-being of those with HIV as well as those at risk of infection.
The team also embarked on a float across the principal streets of Kintampo as part of a series of awareness creation programs to sensitize the public. Anna Sabit, Joy News, Kintampo.